It's always a tough game playing against them, so it's a game that you have to come all 10 toes down and make sure that you put your best foot forward to make sure that you win, because they always bring their best game and you have to match up and get something else on top so that you can get the win.
I think the new faces are people who are fitting into the program. We did it intentionally to do the signings because we knew where we wanted to keep our depth and to be able to keep new players coming in. So it's a matter of us just ticking the boxes and bringing them in to just get into the program seamlessly without having issues. I know we are having big games coming, so for us it's just to focus on how we can build our team and be able to go out and